you're looking at the YouTube thumbnails and you see all the videos or all the thumbnails where the text is behind the person, including me, if you look at my thumbnails and you're wondering how to do that, to get all fancy and put the text behind you, well, guess what? In this video, I'm about to show you really quick a tutorial on how you can do the same thing to your thumbnails for YouTube or for any type of content that you create. You can do the same thing and put the text behind you.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Lane Levette. Welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back, besties. Let's hop right into today's video, which is going to be a short tutorial showing you how to get fancy with your text for your content. So let's do it. So first things first, let's head on over to Canva. And then once you get in Canva, if you don't have thumbnails already, just type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. So if I can type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar, so that way you get the right sizing. That's the joys of Canva. You can pretty much type in all these different templates and then just click on the blank one. Okay, once we have our blank image, now we need to, our blank page, we need to add an image. So you want to go to uploads. I'm just going to use a photo that I already have in here for the purposes of this video. Let's just use this one. You're going to put your image here. Once your image is here, you want to click right here, duplicate, and you want to duplicate your image. So now you have two different images. The one that's in the back, you want to click on it and then click the three dots, go down to set image as background. So that way it fills the screen. Now you have this image. You want to, this is the way I like to do it. I like to move this image out the way, and then I want to work on my text. So click on text, add a text box. We're just going to put, welcome to my channel. Okay, now let's go ahead and make this bigger. Let's change the fonts. I'm going to use this font. And then let's change the color. Let's do red. And then let's play with the effects to make this stand out more. So effects. And then let's outline it in maybe white. So boom. Now we have it in white. And then we can play with the thickness right here to thicken it. You see how that changes the text? So now we have our text, and then we can even go down to shape and then click curve. And then if we scroll down right here, you can control how much it's curved. So we're just going to curve it a little bit like that. And then let's just move this to the top in the center of the image. And now what you want to do, now you want to click on this image and you want to go right here to background remover. You want to remove the background. Click right here on background remover, and it's going to just leave you with an image of yourself. Now you want to resize this to fit perfectly, and it will fit perfectly just like that. Perfect. Now you can click on the text and you can click position and move it backwards. And boom, you are in front of the text just like that. And there's several ways to do this, y'all. There's no right or wrong. This is how I do it when I'm on my desktop. If you want to move this around, like you see how the text is covering up the whole word. My head is covering up the whole word. And then from here, if you wanted to play around with it, you could just play around with the text and move it up and down and do things like that. Grab it here. And just like that, now you're in front of the text. It is that easy, y'all. And from the mobile app, it's even easier, honestly. But it's just that simple. If you want to be able to create thumbnails like this or create content like this is how you would do it from Canva on the desktop. Here's the same concept, but from the mobile app. Go to Canva, type in YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Once that comes up, just click a blank YouTube thumbnail so you can get a blank slate. Once you get a blank slate up, then you need to go and upload your image. So click on uploads, find you an image. If you don't have an image, upload one from your device. I'm just going to use this for the purpose of this tutorial. And then once you get it uploaded, click on the three little dots, click the duplicate, and you're going to get two images. Now you want to click on the one that's in the back, go down to set image as background. And then you're going to click on the top image and stretch it out across the bottom image. So now you have two images on top of one another. And then you want to click background remover on the top image. Now you're left with just yourself with no background. So now what you want to do is go and add text. So now you're going to go to the text option, add a text box, and go ahead and put your text. I'm just going to use the same text. Welcome to my channel. And then so that y'all can see, I'm just going to make it pink, and then I'm going to outline it in black. So just choose a font. I'm going to choose Antin just to choose a different font. And then I'm going to choose a color and just make it pink. And then click the font size so that you can resize the font. And then once you do that, click on effects, slide over to effects. And then I'm going to choose the outline one. And then once you choose that, you can choose the color of the outline. So I'm going to change it from that burgundy color to black. Then click the back arrow and then adjust the thickness. Now you have your text, so go ahead and position your text where you want it to be. I'm going to move it all the way to the top. And then now you take the other image where the background is removed and put it on top perfectly over the other image. And it will always fit perfectly because it's a duplicated image. Once you get that on top in the right position, then you click on the text. And then you want to scroll over to position. And then from position, you click backward. And it will move the text backwards. So the text is behind the top image. And that's how you do it from the mobile app. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a like and a comment down below. And expect more videos like this from me, just showing you quick, easy ways that you can do certain things just to level up your content. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified the next time I post. And I will see y'all in my next videos. Bye, besties.